Good morning everyone. We will continue our exercise 3. So ninth question. Length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 4 meters. If the perimeter of a rectangle is 84 meters, find its length and breadth. So what they are telling, they are talking about length value. What is length? Length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 4. Exceeds is nothing but plus. And it didn't mention any breadth value, so we will take it as x there. So if the perimeter of a rectangle is 84 meters, whole perimeter is nothing but adding all the sides. So that value they have given as 84 meters. Find its length value and breadth value. So we have to find the length value and breadth value. So first write the given terms here later. Length value what they have given? They told that length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 4. They didn't mention about breadth value, so first we take the letter. Breadth value will be x centimeters. So I am taking the breadth value as x centimeters, x meters, and what they told about length, the length of a rectangle is exceeds its breadth by 4. That means it will be x plus 4 meters. Length of a rectangle is exceeds its breadth by 4. That means x plus 4 meters. And also they have given perimeter of a rectangle value as perimeter of rectangle they have given as 84 meters. So by using this given information, we have to find the length value and breadth value now. So what is the perimeter of rectangle formula? That is 2 into L plus B is equals to this value they have given as 84 meters. So 2 into L plus B is equals to 84 meters. Now 2 is a constant value here. What is the length value? Length value is x plus 4 plus breadth value is x is equals to 84 meters. That is 2 into x plus x will be 2x plus 4 is equals to 84 meters. I am sending this 2 to other side, that will be converted into division. So what is remaining? 2x plus 4 is equals to 84 by 2. That is 2 ones are 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So you got 2x plus 4 is equals to 42. Now which value we have to find? We have to find the x value. So transpose this 4 to other side. Plus 4 if you transpose to other side, that will be minus 4. So 2x is equals to 42 minus 4. So that will be how much? 38. Now x is equals to, send this 2 to other side, that will be converted into division. So that will be 38 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 will be remaining, 2 9s are 18. So x value we got it as 19. So x is nothing but here breadth value. Now we have to find length value. So x is nothing but breadth. So breadth is equals to 19 meters we got. Now we have to find the length value. What they gave here, length of rectangle is x plus 4. So x is nothing but 19. 19 plus 4, that will be equals to 23 meters. So you got the length value as 23 and breadth value as 19 meters. So once again you see this, they told that length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 4. They didn't mention about breadth value, so we are taking it as x here, and length by the given sentence we got the length value as x plus 4 meters. Now, and they have given the perimeter of a rectangle is 84 meters. So already we know perimeter of a rectangle formula, that is 2 into L plus B is equals to 84 meters. Now 2 is a constant value, length value is x plus 4 and plus breadth value is x is equals to 84 meters. Now x plus x is 2x plus 4 is equals to 84 meters. I am sending this 2 to other side, that will be converted into division. 2 ones are 2, 42s are 84. Now 2x plus 4 is equals to 42. We have to find the x value, so I am transposing this plus 4 to other side. So if I transpose plus 4 to other side, So breadth is how much? 19 meters. And we have to find the length value. So length is how much here? X plus 4 meters. That is, x is a constant value plus 4. So 19 plus 4 will be 23 meters. So this is our ninth solution. Next is 10th one. So 10th one, after 15 years, Hema's age will be 4 times that of present age. So find her present age. So we have to find the present age. So I am taking the present age as x here. So present age of Hema is x years. Now they are talking about after 15 years. After 15 years means after 15 years, what will be her age then? So that will be x plus 15. Now by seeing that problem, after 15 years, Hema's age will become 4 times that of present age. So by problem we can write it as after 15 years means x plus 15. After 15 years, what will be her age? It seems that is 4 times of present age. 4 times is nothing but 4 into what is the present age here? X. So after 15 years, her age will be 4 times of present age. Now this can be x plus 15 is equals to 4 into x is 4x. Now I am transposing this plus x to other side, that will be converted to minus x. So 15 is equals to 4x minus x. So 15 is equals to 4x minus x will be 3x. Now transpose it is 3 to other side. So x is equals to 15 by 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are. So what is the x value here? 5. X is nothing but 5 years. So x is here present age. So therefore present age of Hema is 5 years. So what is the question? After 15 years, Hema's age will become 4 times of her present age. So we don't know the present age, so we are taking it as x years. And after 15 years means x plus 15. So by problem we can write it as after 15 years, her age will be 4 times of present age. So x plus 15 is equals to 4 into x is 4x. I am transposing this plus x to other side, it will be in the form of minus x. So 15 is equals to 4x minus x will be 3x. I am transposing this 3 to other side, that will be converted to division. So 3 ones are, 3 5s are. So x value is how much? 5 years. So what is the x value? X is nothing but present age. So present age of Hema is how much here? 5 years. So next problem. Next one, a sum of 3000 is to be given in the form of 63 prizes. They are distributing 63 prizes, and what is the value of that 63 prizes? That is equals to 3000 rupees. So if the prize amount, prize money is either 100 or 25, in that 63 prizes, 100 rupees prizes are there and also 25 rupees prizes are there. So find the number of prizes of each type. So how many number of 25 rupees prizes and how many number of 100 rupees prizes are there, we have to find. So here what they have given, total amount they have given as 3000. So total amount they have used for prizes. So total amount is equals to 3000 rupees. And total, how many prizes are there? 63 prizes are there. So total number of prizes is equals to 63. In that, how many different types of prizes are there? There are 100 rupees prizes and also 25 rupees prizes. So number of 100 rupees prizes. So there are how many? So we don't know, so we are taking it as X, and number of 25 rupees prizes will be 63 minus X. Why we are taking the 63 minus X? Already I told you in before classes. So next, what we have to find? We have to find the value for these two prizes, number of prizes. So value of 100 rupees prizes. We know for one prize they are using 100 rupees. For two prizes it will be 200. In the same way, for X prizes, how much value they are spending we have to find. So value of 100 rupees prizes will be how much? That will be 100 into X. That is 100x rupees. So for X prizes they are using how much value? That is 100x rupees. Next, in the same way, value of 25 rupees prizes. So for one prize 25 rupees. For two prizes 50 rupees. In the same way, how many 25 rupees prizes are there? 63 minus X prizes are there. That means 25 into 63 minus X. Just multiply this value first. 25 into 63. So that will be minus 25 into X will be 25 X. So what is the value for 25 rupees prizes here? 1575 minus 25x. So already we know a total amount they have spent for 63 prizes. What is that? 3000. That means if you add these two values, how much it should be? It is equals to 3000. So by problem, that is 100 rupees is how much there? 100x plus for this 25 value of 25 rupees prizes will be 1575 minus 25x. So if you add these two, how much you should get here? That is 3000 rupees. Okay, now 100x minus 25x will be 75x plus 1575 is equals to 3000. Transpose this value, that will be 75x is equals to 3000 minus 1575. Subtract these two values. So that will be 75x is equals to 1425. So you got it as 3000 minus of 1575 will be 1425. Now set this 75 to other side. So x is equals to 1425 divided by 75. So how many times we can cancel this? Cancel in 5 table. 5 ones are 5. 2 will be remaining. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 5 8s are 40. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 3 1s are 19s are. So directly 75 ones are 75. 19s are you can take here. So 1425 1425 by 75. 75 ones are 75 19s are. So x is how much here? 19. So x is nothing but which prices? 100 rupees prices. So therefore number of 100 rupees prices is equal 25 rupees prices is equals to, that will be 63 minus 19. That will be 44. So total how many 25 rupees prices are there? 44, and number of 100 rupees prices are 90. So once again see this, they told that total amount of prices are 3000 rupees. With 3000 rupees they bought 63 different types of prices. So the total number of prices are 63. In that 63 prices they are having 100 rupees prices as well as 25 rupees prices. So number of 100 rupees prices we don't know, so we are taking it as X. And number of 25 rupees prices are how many? That is 63 minus X. These are only number of prices. Now we are finding the value for it. Value of 100 rupees prices will be 100 into X. That will be equals to 100X. For one price 100 rupees. For two prices it will be 200 rupees. In the same way, for X prices that will be 100 into X. That will be equals to 100X rupees. Next is value of 25 rupees prices. That will be 25 into 63 minus X. 25 into 63 will be 1575 minus 25 into X will be 25X. Now, if you add this value of 100 rupees and prices and 25 rupees prices, the total amount is 3000 rupees. So by problem, add these two values, that is 100X plus 1575 minus 25X is equals to 3000. 100X minus 25X will be 75X plus 1575 sent to other side, that will be converted into minus there. So 75X is equals to 1425. Send this 75 to other side, that will be converted into division. So 75 ones are, 75 19s are. So X value you got it as 19. So X is nothing but 100 rupees prices. So number of 100 rupees prices will be 90 and number of 25 rupees prices will be, what is the value for that? That is 63 minus X. 63 minus 19 will be equals to 44. This is our 11th solution. Next is solution. A number is divided into two parts such that one part is 10 more than the other. One number is there. That number they have divided into two parts. And the two parts ratio they have given in the form of 5:3. Ratio is nothing but the values are in the form of 5 multiples and also 3 multiples. The answer will be in the form of 5 multiples and 3 multiples. Ratio is multiple of the given number here. Okay, next to find the numbers and two parts, we have to find the number and also what are the two parts we have to find. So what is the given ratio there? Given ratio of number, that is equals to 5:3. So first part I am taking it as 5x. And second part I am taking it as 3x, because ratio is nothing but the answer will be in the form of 5 multiples and 3 multiples. Now what they have given, a number is divided into two parts such that one part is 10 more than other. One part will be 10 more than other. So by problem you can write it as one part is 10 more than other. Okay, so solve this one now. I am sending this 3x to this side. 5x minus 3x is equals to 10. So 5x minus 3x will be 2x is equals to 10. I am sending this 2 to other side. X is equals to 10 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 5s are. So what is the x value here? 5. Now what are the first part and second part we will see. Therefore, first part is how much? 5x Second part is how much? 3x. So 3 is a constant value, x value is 5. So 3 5s are 15. And they are asked to find the number also. So if you add these two values, you will get the original number. So number will be, number is equals to 25 plus 15. That will be equals to 40. The given number is 40. That 40 they have divided into two parts. That is, one is 25, other is 15. So once again say this, the ratio of a number they have given in the form of 5:3. Ratio is nothing but the answer is in the form of 5 multiples and 3 multiples. So 5 multiples I am taking it as 5x and 3 multiples I am taking it as 3x. So by problem they told that one number is 10 more than the other. So one number will be 10 more than the other. So 5x is equals to 3x plus 10. And transposing this 3x to other side, that will be minus 3x. So 5x minus 3x is equals to 10. 5x minus 3x will be 2x is equals to 10. And transposing this 2 to other side, 10 by 2, 2 ones are 2 5s are. So its value you got it as 5. Now first part is how much? First part will be 5 into 5, that will be 25. Second part will be 3 into 5, that is 15. What is the original number there? 25 plus 15 is equals to 40. That 40 they have divided into two parts, that is 25 and 15.